Welcome back to Test on Need. In this video, we are going to learn about how to customize WordPress themes. Here, depending on the theme you are using for your WordPress site, there are different set of changes you can make to your site from within your admin panel. This tutorial explains how to do some of the changes to your site using the customization page. So let's go to themes page. To start customizing your WordPress theme, first you just need to verify that you have activated a theme. Here we have activated 2015 theme. So by clicking this customize button, we can simply going to customize the basic set of functions inside the theme. So I'm just going to do this. On the left, you will see a list of available options, and on the right, a live preview of your site and how those changes will affect it. So let's get into the details. How to modify your WordPress title and tagline. Let me show you. The theme customization page allows you to modify your site's title and tagline and see how it will look on your actual site immediately. To do this, expand site identity. Here, group of settings and alter the text. As you type, you will see the new text showing up in the live page. Here, we have site title as new site, which is here. Now I'm going to change your theme title is updated immediately. This is the tagline, which is helpful in SEO also. And here you can see the tagline here, whatever you want. You can see the updated tagline here. So once you have done this title, you have to click this publish button to make sure it is updated on the server. Now I have published this. This is how you change your theme title and tagline. You can also change the header image here, background image, menus, and you can do lots of stuffs here by customizing the theme directly in the front end part. There are two options for customizing the theme. One is front end part, which is currently we are doing. This is the easy step to do small changes in themes directly using this customization part. And the second thing is we can do these changes in backend also. That is, you just need to know some technical stuffs, and you just need to know a little bit deep knowledge in WordPress PHP stuffs. Those things I will explain in upcoming later tutorials. So far, we have seen how to import our changes to the titles and taglines. You can also, if you want to see, if you have any basic knowledge about HTML and CSS, you can also add external CSS here, and you can uploading here. It will affect directly into the live site. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel Test on Need. Thank you.